Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a shorter clean with me, but I hope that it provides you with some much needed cleaning motivation. So I had a little bit of time to work with, and so I wanted to tackle the things that I felt like I needed to get done the most. So starting off in the kitchen, I wanted to get the clean dishes put away.
So tell me now, because I just have to know. You wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run? Just be wild and free. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you.
And then I also wanted to wipe down the countertops really quickly because there were some crumbs and there was also dog hair as usual.
Oh, so tell me, girl, 'cause I really wanna know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run and just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. I've never felt like this.
I also noticed that there was some fingerprints on the microwave, so I wanted to quickly wipe that down as well.
So do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run? Just be wild and free. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. Oh, all I need is you. Hey.
Moving on to the laundry, I had a lot of laundry to do, but I only had time to do about 2 loads, so I pulled everything out of the hamper and then I went through it to see what I wanted to wash first.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
Next, I wanted to get the vacuuming done. I try to do this once a day. It doesn't always happen, but I try to do this once a day because of the dog hair, and also there was a lot of dirt by the doorway. We track in a lot of dirt and sand, so I wanted to get that picked up as well.
Waste this, and I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me reckless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this.
I'm trying to let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up, it shoots me down. At this point, I would rather be numb. I'm sick and tired of emotions. They've never done me any good, just tore me up into bits. I wish I knew how to call it quits. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without his cane. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. Don't say how it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. I've always liked to be a stranger, keep my distance from the crowd. Thought that way I wouldn't get hurt, but when I met her, it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them upside down. I had never felt that way, but what's to say? Sometimes good things end, but I didn't think that it would be this hard for a heart to mend. 'Cause I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without his cane. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how and it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go.
The sliding glass door really needed wiped down between the watermarks from the humidity and then the slobber marks from the dog. I just really needed to give this a good cleaning. Thankfully, the humidity is starting to leave the air and we are moving into that fall weather. so there shouldn't be as many watermarks on the glass from the humidity. But there's always some mark from the dog, so yeah, I really need to get that done.
I'm the ocean without the waves, the radios playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how and it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway, try to let her go.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes.
The first load of laundry is done, so now I am switching that over to the dryer and I will be putting in my next load.
Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise.
Moving on to the spare bathroom, I wanted to give the mirrors and the sink a quick wipe down. Both bathrooms really needed cleaned, but I decided to do one today and the other one tomorrow given the time that I had, and I decided to pick the smaller of the two bathrooms.
Without you, yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
Looking for a reason, driven by the heart, fighting for a season, with sadness fall apart. Tell me not to worry, tell me to be strong, be my true reminder of where my love belongs.
that wraps up this cleaning video. I was able to get that cleaning done in about 45 minutes before it was time to take our evening walk with the dog. So I hope that this video gave you some much needed cleaning motivation, and remember to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more cleaning motivational videos, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!
Bring it on, we'll be right